So we want to simplify number 3 in 4, 5. Sine over cosecant, sine of theta over cosecant theta, cosine theta over secant theta. So for me, I really want to get rid of the cosecant and the secant first. They're kind of annoying to me. So I know that cosecant is 1 over sine. So my first fraction will be sine theta over 1 over sine theta. And then my second fraction, I'm going to keep the cosine for now, but I know secant is 1 over cosine. Writing things in terms of sine and cosine is often easier. And then I have these things called complex fractions. So we'll multiply by LCD to get rid of like the fractions in fractions. So just LCD within a fraction, not both fractions. That's how we get rid of the fraction in a fraction. So to get rid of this one, I want to multiply by sine theta because that'll get rid of the fraction on the bottom, and that's allowed as long as I also do it to the top. The second one, I want to get rid of this fraction, so we multiply by cosine theta because that'll cancel out, and that's allowed as long as we do to the top also, right? Because we're multiplying by 1. Fancy forms of 1. All right. So then we're left with sine times sine over 1. So sine squared theta over 1 plus cosine squared theta over 1, which is just sine squared plus cosine squared. And this should look like a familiar identity. It's the Pythagorean identity, and it equals 1. And that's it. So it's just getting used to recognizing patterns and recognizing some of the identities. Let me know if you still have questions.